Okay, I'm Morales from the Freelance Writers Guild of the Philippines, and on behalf of our organization, binabati ko ang lahat ng nandito ngayon mula sa mga organizers, sa mga participants, sa mentors and facilitators. Congratulations for launching the very first Tondo Writers Workshop. Some of you might be wondering why a freelancers organization such as the FWGC is supporting literary events like this workshop. After all, freelancing is all about commercial writing, and literary writing is a different craft or a different art altogether with its own discipline and its own rewards. But you know, at the very core, it's coming from the same place, the belief that writing matters and that writers deserve spaces to grow. Writing is writing, so whoever owns their craft and wherever they choose to do it, it supports, strengthens the larger community that all of us belong to. There is something special about Maiden Run. It means you are the trailblazers who will shape what this workshop will become for the writers who will come after you. So coming from the storytellers, the poets, and the journalists that Tondo has produced in the past, this workshop is just a continuation of that legacy, planting a seed that we hope will grow in the years to come. To the participants, be generous with your ideas, be open to feedback, and don't be afraid to write badly before you write well, because it's all part of the process. The fact that you're here today already says a lot about your commitment to your craft. So again, congratulations to all the organizers of the very first Tondo Writers Workshop. Welcome to the participants. The FWGP is proud to stand behind you, and we are looking forward to reading your poems and your stories.